Dear students, today we will see the least recently used page replacement algorithm. I repeat, least recently used page replacement algorithm LRU. The technique here is replace the page that will be used least recently. I repeat, replace the page that will be used least recently. That means in optimal what we have done is or was we are looking forward. Now here we have to look back and then decide. So let us explain this particular or demonstrate this particular algorithm with the help of an example. Again I am using same example which has 20 page numbers or strings, what you call it. Then I have 3 frames. I repeat, 20 strings or 20 page numbers, then we have 3 frames. So here we can see there are initially, as we all know that all frames are free. Okay, first 7 will come, it will be accommodated, then 0 7 0 will be added, and 7 0 1 1 has been asked or accommodated. So 701. So after these 3 page numbers, the frames are full now. Now the problem starts. See here, 2 has to be entered or accommodated in my page. So here what we can do is 701. So out of this, which is the least recently used? I repeat, out of these 3, which is the least recently used? Here we can see we have to look back, as we were looking ahead in optimal. Here we have to look back. 1 is most recently used, 0 is less than that recently, and 7 is least recently. So that's why 2 has been accommodated in place of 7. That's why 201 will be my frame or page numbers. Okay, then 0 is already there, so page it will happen. Now again 3 comes, so again same strategy. What is that? Least recently. How to point? See, where is 2 is here, 0 is here, and where is 1 So when we look back, 0 is least most recently, then 2 is least to the 0, that is most, and lastly least recently is 1. So that is why 3 has been replaced in place of 1. Now you can see 203. I repeat, 3 has been replaced in place of 1 because it is least recently used. Now again 0 will come, 0 already there, a page it will happen. So now 4. So where to accommodate 4? See here, there are 3 page numbers, 203. We can say 0 is most recently, 3 is next to it, 0 is again most recently, and 2 we can see here it is least recently. So that's why what we have done is 2 has been replaced with the 4. So 2 has been removed and 4 has been put. That's why it has become 403. Now 2 has to be accommodated. 2 is not there, then a page fault will happen, and as we know these are all page hits. Okay, so when 2 comes, where to place? Now what are the numbers? 403. 4 is least recently used, most recently used, 0 is next to it, and 3 is next to it. So that's why I am, which one to be replaced here? 3 has to be replaced with 2. That's why the number is, the page will be filled with, frames will be filled with 402. Now 3 has to be accommodated. How to do it? Say 402. Where is 2 is most recently, 4 is next to it, and 0 is next to it. So that's why 0 has been replaced by page number 3. So that's why it has become 432. Now next is 0 has to be accommodated. So which one is least recently here? You can say 3 is most, 2 is next to it, and 4 is next to it. That's what, as per analogy, 4 becomes the least recently used. So 4 has been replaced by 0. So 0 3 2. Now 3 is already there, it has become page hit. 2 is already there, it has become page hit again. Now 1 is not there, it is a page fault. Now where 2 has to be accommodated? Say 0, 3, 2 are my page numbers. We can see before 1. What is that? 2 is used most recently, 3 is next, and 0 is next to it, which is as per our analogy, it is going to be 0. So that's why 0 has been replaced by 1. That's what we call it as 1, 3, 2. Okay. And then what is next? 2 is already there, page hit will happen. Okay. Now 0 has to be placed in where? See, 1, 3, 2. 2 is next to 0, 1 is next to it, and 2 is again next to it, and 3 is next to it. That's why. So 3 is my least recently used. So 0 has been placed in place of 3. So 1, 0, 2 it becomes. Then 1 is already there, a page hit will happen, and 7 has to be accommodated because of page fault. So 1, 0, 2. 1 is next to 7, that means it is most recently used. 0 is next to it, and 2 is next to it. So that means 2 is my least recently used page number. So I accommodate 7 in place of 2. So that's why 1, 0, 7. And 0 is already there, page hit will happen. 1 is already there, page hit will happen. I hope you understood how we have drawn this particular diagram. Now hope it is clear how to solve this problem with the help of least recently used algorithm. Now what is a page hit ratio? Again, number of page hit divided by number of strings or pages into 100. Here I have 8 page hits. We can count, you will find it. By 20 into 100 is 40%. And page fault ratio is number of page fault divided by number of strings or pages into 100. So 20 minus 8 is 12. That is 12 by 20 is 60%. So this finds that this is, at first look it doesn't look as good as optimal, but this is the better one because the initial 5 frame, when you look into this one and optimal, they are same. So when you look ahead, this is better than what you call as optimal and FIFO. Again, this Belady's anomaly will not work here. What is that anomaly? As you increase the number of frames, number of page faults will increase. That will not happen here. So this is again overcoming that particular problem of page fault. So that is what there will not be a number of page faults increase as we increase the page numbers, frame numbers for that sake. So what anomaly says, there is no there will be a increase in page faults if we increase the number of frames in a system. Okay, now moving to next one. This is the one of the oftenly used algorithm because this is better than an FIFO and optimal, as I told. Okay, and then this will be implemented with the help of stack and counters. I hope it is clear, concept is clear. If any doubts, you can come back to me. Thank you very much for watching.